Hey guys, today I'm in the French Alps and I'm in an area called ValleeDAbondance. I'm going to explore on the bike today. The view is really beautiful here and there's still some snow on top of the mountain. Let's get ready. My ride today starts in the beautiful town of Chatel, tucked away in the French Alps near the Swiss border. It's a top spot for mountain biking with lift access to the massive Portes du Soleil trail network that spans both France and Switzerland. It's like an all-you-can-ride buffet, but with more mountains and fewer carbs. The terrain here ranges from smooth, scenic trails to fast, technical descents, perfect for a full day on the bike or until your legs start questioning your life choices. Descending from my accommodation down to the village center, I couldn't resist stopping by a little bakery for some pastries and a hot chocolate. Hey, after all the downhill, I have earned it, right? Let's eat! So good! Chatel sits in the Haute-Savoie department, part of the larger Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes region of eastern France. This area is known for its rugged mountains, deep valleys, and a cycling culture that's as strong as a double shot of espresso, road, gravel, and mountain bike alike. Just down the valley is like Geneva, surrounded by charming alpine towns, cheese farms, and endless outdoor activities. Whether you are here for a week or just passing through, this corner of the Alps is perfect for exploring and eating cheese. Now I'm following the Dranse river along the valley. This beautiful mountain river flows north through the valley, passing towns like Abondance, La Chapelle-d'Abondance, and Chatel, before eventually joining the Dranse near Boucher. I have opted for the mountain bike trail today rather than the valley road so I can avoid traffic and pretend I'm in a nature documentary. The trail winds up and down along the riverbanks, crossing the water multiple times with a few rocky sections to make you feel like you are really earning that post-ride snack. Being new to mountain biking, I'm still getting used to the bumpy terrain, but it's been such a great experience. I'm basically just holding on for dear life. But hey, it's fun, right? work, so I took a quick break for a drink, snapped a few pictures, and got back to pretending I'm a pro. The forest and surrounding views are stunning, by the way. So stunning. You might forget about that little rocks in the trail situation. All the villages in the ValleeDAbondance are steeped in Alpine tradition, with deep farming roots and centuries-old customs. The region is famous for its cheese, especially Abondance IRP, still made using traditional methods in local dairies. You will often see wooden chalets with carved balconies and hear the sounds of cowbells echoing across the pasture in summer. It's like a live soundtrack to your ride. Local festivals celebrate everything from mountain life to artisan crafts, keeping the culture alive for both locals and visitors, and probably some confused tourists who thought they were just here for the bike trails. I stopped to see if I could have a dip in the river, but surprise, surprise, it was freezing. With snow still on the mountaintops, the snowmelt turns the river into what I can only describe as a liquid freezer.
Ooh, so cold!
I did spot some ducks, a heron, and a bunch of tiny birds along the plateau, which I am sure were judging me for even considering getting in that water. In April, the ValleeDAbondance and the surrounding mountains start to come alive as spring thaws the winter snow. You might see marmots emerging from their burrows, chamois and red deer moving down from the high alpine areas, and brown trout swimming upstream, all while you are trying to remember why you thought biking in the Alps was a good idea. Bird watchers can spot golden eagles soaring high above the peaks, and alpine shows becoming more active as the weather warms up. Basically, the wildlife here is living its best life. After a few hours of cycling, it was definitely time for more pastries. I found a riverside bench, took a break, and enjoyed the peaceful surrounding, and yes, the pastries were just as good the second time around. I was lucky to have such a beautiful spring day for my ride. The sun was out, there wasn't a cloud in the sky. It's like the weather knew I was filming. In the ValleeDAbondance, spring marks the shift from winter chill to milder, more pleasant temperatures. No more freezing morning, just mild afternoon.
Now I'm having a break and have a little bit of pain chocolate. The bakery here is so good. Of course, I'm in France. Oh yeah, so good.
lower in the valley, temperatures range from 8 to 15 with more sunny days as April progresses. Higher up, snow still lingers on the peaks, making for a beautiful contrast with the emerging greenery below. Rain showers are common, especially in the afternoon, helping the meadows and forests come to life with vibrant spring growth and giving you just enough time to regret leaving your rain jacket at the hotel. By late April, the valley is full of wildflowers with snow-capped peaks standing tall over blossoming alpine meadows. It's like nature perfect Instagram filter. My ride took me from Chatel through La Pontia, La Chapelle-d'Abondance, Riverside, and finally Bonnevaux, where I started to make my way back up the valley towards my starting point. It was a day to remember in such a stunning location, and I may or may not have already planned my next ride here. Stay tuned for my next video where hopefully I won't make the same mistake of trying to take dip in the glacier-cold river.